sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's...
Halo guys, kita udah sampai di Luk Ketapang. Yes. Ini adalah penampakan padang sabana Luk Ketapang, guys. Akhirnya guys, sampai juga di Luk Ketapang setelah menempuh perjalanan 2 jam, hampir 3 jam. Kaki turun. Ini dia Luk Ketapang.
Under the tree where the grass don't grow.
If I could run with you, and from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than...
Puro mana? Cik balik.
Yang bunta dia tak?
Si hari tak nak kira gula. Lagi kering biasa.
Tak bisa ni buat gorengan yang benar tu. Pernah reti kayak aku jalan-jalan. Mau buang tu bang.
young.